Morning routine. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Sometimes I wake up earlier, especially when I have a busy day ahead. I open my eyes slowly and stretch my arms. I feel sleepy, but I know I need to get up and start my day. I get out of bed and make my bed neatly. Making my bed helps me feel organized and ready for the day. While I fix my blanket, I sometimes look outside the window. I like to see the morning light coming through the curtains. Next, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. It feels fresh and helps me wake up completely. Then, I brush my teeth carefully for 2 minutes. I use mint toothpaste. It smells and tastes clean. After that, I take a shower. The warm water feels relaxing on my skin. I enjoy this quiet time because it helps me think about the day ahead. When I finish, I dry my hair with a towel and look in the mirror. I feel fresh and ready. I go back to my room to choose my clothes for the day. Sometimes it's hard to decide what to wear. Today, I'm wearing jeans and a light blue t-shirt. I like comfortable clothes that help me move easily. Now it's breakfast time. I walk to the kitchen and I can already smell the coffee. I usually eat bread, butter, and eggs. Sometimes I eat cereal, fruit, or yogurt. If I have extra time, I make an omelet or drink a smoothie. I drink a warm cup of tea or coffee. It helps me feel awake. My breakfast is simple but delicious. While eating, I sometimes check my phone or read the news. Other days, I just listen to some music or enjoy the quiet morning. After breakfast, I get ready to go out. I take my bag, my phone, and my keys. I put on my shoes and jacket. Before leaving, I say goodbye to my family. Then I step outside, take a deep breath, and start my day. Let's review. In the morning, we wake up, wash our face, brush our teeth, take a shower, get dressed, eat breakfast, and leave home. Very good. Afternoon routine. Now, let's talk about the afternoon, the middle part of the day, after lunch, before evening. Listen carefully and repeat the sentences. I go to work at 8:30. Some people go to school instead. I usually take the bus, but sometimes I drive my car or ride a bike. On my way, I like listening to music or short English podcasts. It makes the trip more enjoyable. I arrive at work at 9 o'clock. I say hello to my coworkers and get ready to start. I open my laptop, check my emails, and make a to-do list for the day. If I'm at school, I listen to the teacher and take notes. Sometimes I do group projects or presentations. I try to learn something new every day. At around 1 p.m., I have lunch. I eat rice, chicken, or salad, something light but tasty. Sometimes I eat out with my friends at a small restaurant. We talk, laugh, and share stories about our day. After lunch, I feel a little sleepy, but I drink some water or tea to stay awake. Then I go back to work or class and continue until the afternoon. When my work is done, I check my to-do list again. I feel happy when I finish all my tasks. Before leaving, I say goodbye to my friends or coworkers. Sometimes I stop by a shop to buy groceries or snacks. Sometimes I go straight home. Let's review the afternoon routine. In the afternoon, we usually go to work or school, study or do our job, have lunch at 1 p.m., and finish work or class. Great job! Evening routine. Now, let's move to the evening, the most relaxing part of the day. I come back home around 6 o'clock. I feel a little tired after work, but happy to be home. I take off my shoes and change into something comfortable. I rest for a few minutes, maybe on the sofa, maybe outside in the garden. Sometimes I drink a glass of water or juice and take a deep breath. Sometimes I sit on the sofa and watch TV. Other times, I scroll on my phone or check social media. If my friends are online, I send them a quick message to say hi. Around 8 p.m., it's dinner time. I eat dinner with my family. We talk about our day, laugh, and enjoy our food together. I like eating rice, soup, or pasta for dinner. Sometimes we order food if we are tired. After dinner, I help wash the dishes. I like helping because it makes the kitchen look clean again. After dinner, I have some free time. Sometimes I read a book or watch a movie. I also like listening to music or playing games on my phone. If the weather is nice, I go for a short walk. It helps me feel calm and relaxed. Many people study in the evening, and I do too. I usually learn English for about 30 minutes. I watch English videos or practice speaking. Sometimes I repeat short sentences out loud to improve my pronunciation. This small habit helps me get better every day. Before bed, I brush my teeth again. I wash my face and change into my pajamas. Then, I set my alarm for the next day. Sometimes, I write a few lines in my journal about what I did today. Finally, I go to bed around 11 p.m. I feel tired but happy after a good, productive day. I close my eyes, think about tomorrow, and slowly fall asleep. Good night. Full daily routine review. Now let's review the full daily routine together. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Morning. I wake up at 7. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I take a shower and get dressed. I eat breakfast and leave home. Afternoon. I go to work or school. I study or do my job. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I finish work and go home. Evening. I eat dinner with my family. I watch TV or read a book. I study English or talk to my friends. I brush my teeth and go to bed. Now, let's try speaking naturally. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you go to school or work? What time do you go to bed? Great job! Keep practicing these questions and answers every day. You did an amazing job today. You learned how to talk about your daily routine in English, morning, afternoon, and evening. Now you can describe your own day and talk with others about their routines too. Remember, practice every day. You'll find even more interesting and exciting stories here, so make sure to subscribe to English Stories with Arif. I'd also really appreciate it if you liked this video.